Good morning children, how are you all? Hope you all are doing fine. So in our last classes we finished our exercise, 5 exercises, even the exercise bit of the reader along with the explanation, even the question answers. I hope you all are writing in your classwork notebooks. So today we will start our 6th lesson, that is Newton's folly. Okay. So here folly means foolishness. Okay. The meaning of folly is foolishness. So Newton, who was Newton? Newton was a great scientist, he was a mathematician and he was a physicist. Okay, so as he was a famous scientist, we know now scientists, they invent new things, they do the new inventions. Can we think a scientist can do a foolish thing, right? Can we think? Yeah, we do sometimes. Many great personalities also do small mistakes. So here we will learn about the Newton's foolishness, right? So what it is? Isaac Newton was a great scientist. He spent almost all his time in his study room. The slightest noise could disturb him. He wanted complete quiet for his work. So he used to keep his door shut. So as Newton was a scientist, his full name was Isaac Newton. Okay. He was a great scientist and he spent all his time, most of his time in his study room. अपना time सारा study करने में गुजार देते थे. For that he used to be in his study room and even a slightest small sound also, थोड़ी सी भी disturbance, थोड़ी सी भी sound उनको बहुत irritate करती थी. For that he used to keep his room door shut and he used to study inside his room. One day Newton went to the market. There he saw 2 lovely cats in a pet shop. Newton bought those cats. One of the cats was small and the other was big. He brought both the cats home. So one day Newton, what he did, as he went to the market, he saw 2 lovely cats. One cat was big and one cat was small. So they were so lovely that he brought them home. Newton soon found that while he was busy at his work, the cats had to remain shut out. They could not get into his room. He did not like this. So as Newton was a very studious person, he had to keep his cats out of the door while he was in his study room for studying. So जब तक वो अपने study room में study करते थे, उनके cats को बाहर रहना पड़ता. So he did not like this. So he thought of a plan. What plan? One day Newton called in a carpenter. He said to the carpenter, "Make 2 holes in my study room, one small and the other big one." The carpenter carried out Newton's order. He made 2 holes in the door. One hole was big and the other was small. So one day Newton क्या करे? He thought of an idea, making 2 holes in a door. Like here in this picture we can see. So he called up a carpenter and ordered him to make 2 holes, a big hole and a small hole in the door. Now Newton was satisfied. Now he thought, the 2 cats will be able to get in and out of my study room as they like. So why did he make 2 holes into the door? Because one for the big cat and one for the small cat, to go in and out of the study room. जब मर्जी में आए cats वो hole से in and out होते थे, अंदर बाहर होते थे whenever they liked. So one day a friend visited Newton. He wanted to see the 2 unequal holes in the door. He could not understand the use. So one day a friend came to Newton's house and after seeing those 2 holes, he couldn't understand the meaning. Okay, why are these 2 holes, one big and one small, into the door? So he asked Newton, what are those holes for? ये holes क्यों लगाए गए? Newton said, don't be silly. They are for my 2 cats to go in and out of my study room when the door is shut. So what did Newton answer? Newton said के don't be silly. इतने बेवकूफ नहीं बनो. These are for my cats. ये 2 holes मेरे cats के लिए है. तो तब भी जब whenever the door is closed, the cats will go out and come in from these 2 holes. But one hole is small and the other is big. Why is it so? So his friend, Newton friend, asked Newton, "Ke, why is one hole big and other is small? Why is it?" So because of one of my cat is small and the other is big. The small hole is for the small cat and the big hole is for the big cat. Newton explained. The friend broke into laughter. So to this Newton said, "Ke, big hole is for my big cat and the small hole is for my small cat." Okay. So after hearing the answer from the Newton, the friend started laughing. He said, "My dear Newton, Can the small cat cannot go through the big hole? You need not make 2 holes at all. So laughingly the friend said, cannot the small cat go through the big hole? क्या छोटी सी cat बड़े होल से नहीं जा सकती थी? It can pass through. So why there is a need of small hole then? अगर आप एक ही बिग होल बनाते तो दोनों cats उससे in and out हो सकते थे. Why did you make a small hole again? Isn't it silly? One hole was enough. Then why the other? It was then that Newton realized how silly he had been. So after hearing the answer from his friend, Newton realized कि वो कितने सिली थे, वो कितने बेवकूफ़ थे. एक ही होल बनाते तो उसके अंदर से दोनों कैट्स इन एंड आउट हो सकते थे. बट हिज थिंक ऑफ हिज फुलिशनेस, वो कितना फुलिशली वर्क करे. ही मेड 2 holes, one for small cat and one for big cat. Isn't it a foolish, silly thing? Yes. So children, very great minds sometimes fail to understand very small things, and so was Newton the Great. So many a times, many scientists who made many big inventions, many discoveries, they also lacked in smaller things. छोटी छोटी चीज़ों में वो बहुत सारे foolish things करते थे, right? So later on in the life, Newton, Isaac Newton, what he did, he discovered the theory of gravitation and laws of motion. Okay, क्या invent करे Isaac Newton उनकी later on life में जाके? Theory of gravitation. Gravitation as in the sense, in your later life you will learn the story of Newton के how an apple fell from a tree. So taking that as an example, Newton showed to the world that earth is having a gravitational force. earth के पास क्या है? gravitational force है बोल के ये discover करे न्यूटन. and laws of motion. laws of motion क्या है? 3 laws of motion invent करें, discover करें न्यूटन. that is, एक ऑब्जेक्ट को जब तक आप मूव नहीं करोगे वो ऑब्जेक्ट मूव नहीं होता. अ पेन इज देयर, तब तक आप इसको मूव नहीं करोगे ये अपने आप से मूव नहीं होता. एंड सेकेंड लॉ इज, ये पेन के ऊपर आप जितना प्रेशर डालोगे वो पेन इतना ही दूर होगा. स्लाइटली प्रेशर डालोगे तो स्लाइट प्लेस पे से हटेगा, हार्ड प्रेशर डालोगे तो ज़्यादा प्लेस से हटेगा. देन एवरी एक्शन इज हैविंग एन इक्वल रिएक्शन. आप वन साइड पुल करोगे तो अदर साइड इक्वली स्ट्रेच होगा, है ना? whenever you are pulling a rubber band, whenever you are stretching something, the equal, okay, equal attraction रहता है दोनों side. So fine, so these theories you learn in your later life. I hope you got a lesson from this. Okay? Even the great scientists, even the great inventors used to do silly things. Fine, so we'll meet in our next class and do the exercises. So till then, do the reading, stay home, stay safe and don't trouble your parents.